Welcome to Tech Tutorials YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to insert checkbox on Google spreadsheet. So as you can see on my screen, I have all this checkbox. What that means is I can check off, but how do you put them on? So let's, for example, I'm going to be removing this and I want to insert checkbox is in here. So this is super simple. So I'm going to be showing you a few different ways. So first of all, you select the whole uh, sales where you want to insert the checkbox, and then all you have to do is to go to insert, and then you will see over here checkbox. Click on checkbox and then you will be able to have checkbox on the sales. And I'm going to be also showing you some other quick tips, so that way if you need, you can also use that. So for example, I'm just going to insert checkbox for just one column, and then I'm just holding here and dragging until the bottom, and then it's taking all the way down. So that's how you actually do it. Another way is like if you have a checkbox in another column, you can just copy it and then you paste it over here. Another way, you just copy the one cell over here, and then you select all the way down where you want to insert it, you paste it, and that's how you can just use the checkbox. I hope this is helpful. I make these videos to save your time, to make quick tutorials. Please subscribe to my channel. I have target of getting 1000 subscriber soon, and also let me know if this is helpful in the comment. Thanks for watching.